In this video, you'll learn how to connect Claude Code to Paperclip AI. By following these instructions, you will successfully set up the integration between these two platforms. Begin by navigating to the Paperclip dashboard. You can do this by entering the relevant URL of your web browser. Once the dashboard loads, you should see various options and settings available for configuration. Next, look for a button labeled Add on the dashboard. Clicking this button will open a new interface where you can configure your agent settings. Ensure that this new window appears before proceeding. After that, you will need to select the option for advanced configuration. This allows you to input specific settings for your connection. A message or prompt indicating this option should be visible on your screen. Once this appears, click on the option labeled Claude Code. This selection will direct you to the section where you can create a new agent tailored to Claude Code functionalities. Following this, find and click on the button that says New Agent. This action will initiate the process of creating a new agent specifically for Claude Code integration. Now, you will be prompted to type in your agent's name. Make sure to choose a name that clearly identifies this agent for future reference. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Adapter. This step is crucial as it allows you to select the appropriate adapter for connecting Claude Code. Afterward, click on the option for Adapter Type. This will open a drop-down menu or selection area where you can specify the type of adapter you wish to use. Then you will need to click on the option for Prompt Template. This is where you can define the templates that will guide the agent's responses. After that, find and click on the option that says Agent Instructions File. This step allows you to upload or select the file that contains instructions for the agent's operation. Next, you should see an option for Permissions and Configuration. Clicking this will take you to the settings where you can manage permissions for the agent. Following this, click on the label button Model. This selection allows you to choose the model that the agent will utilize during its operation. Then click on the option labeled Default. This will set the default parameters for the agent's functionality. Afterward, find and select the option for Claude Haiku 4.5. This selection will configure your agent to utilize this specific version of the Claude model. Next, click on the option for Thinking Effort. This setting determines how much computational effort the agent will allocate to its tasks. After that, select the option labeled Enable Chrome. This step may be necessary for ensuring compatibility with certain features or functionalities. Then click on the option that says Skip Permissions. This will allow you to bypass certain permission settings during the setup process. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Max Turns Per Run. This setting defines how many interactions the agent can have in a single session. Afterward, click on the option for Extra args, comma separated. This allows you to input any additional parameters that may be required for the agent's operation. Then find and click on the option that says Company Skills. This section allows you to input any specific skills or capabilities your company wants the agent to have. Finally, click on the button labeled Create Agent. This action will finalize the setup and create your new agent connected to Claude Code. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.